What are the signs of a bad fuel pump relay in your Audi A3? What's a fuel pump relay? Audi A3 depends on an electrically controlled pump to convey fuel from the gas tank to the engine. Fuel pump relay plays an important role in this process. Its job is to supply electric current to the fuel pump. It assists the power control module, PCM, in regulating the fuel pump operation. If the relay goes bad, it would put your Audi A's fuel pump in jeopardy. Audi A3 fuel pump relay location. In most vehicles, you can find it in the fuse box near the engine. However, in the case of Audi A3, it's located inside the cabin or under the hood next to the battery. Audi A3 fuel pump relay failure symptoms. Difficult starting engine. If your Audi A3 engine isn't receiving the right amount of fuel, it won't start. So, if the fuel pump relay goes bad, it would be difficult for you to start the engine. Poor acceleration. Loss of acceleration is another noticeable sign of having a bad fuel pump relay. Faulty relay puts your Audi A3 fuel pump in jeopardy. When that happens, the engine fails to get the requisite amount of fuel. As a result of which, your Audi A3 would struggle to accelerate. Engine stalling and misfire. If your Audi A3 engine is stalling more often, there's a good chance its fuel pump relay has gone bad. Engine misfire is another characteristic of having a bad fuel pump relay. Check engine light is on. A faulty fuel pump relay would obstruct the fuel supply to the engine. It would make your Audi A3 engine run rough. When the computer finds out about it, it would turn on the malfunction indicator lamp immediately. Audi A3 fuel pump relay failure causes. Some of the most common reasons behind fuel pump relay failure in Audi A3 are as follows. Voltage surge, bad fuses, damaged wiring, physical damage. Sum up. A bad relay can disrupt the power supply to the fuel pump. As a result of which, your Audi A3 fuel pump won't be able to keep up with the engine's fuel demand. And you would experience all sorts of drivability issues. So, the faulty fuel pump relay in your Audi A3 has to be repaired or replaced on time.